There can't be many more tricky activities than trying to climb ice. But that was the task facing 25 elite climbers who took part in the renowned Ouray Ice Climbing contest in Colorado on Saturday. Not content with just climbing a sheer cliff face covered in ice, competitors had to have ice in their veins to scramble up a vertically hanging log before making their way up a 30-foot overhanging wall. They were also tackling the course against the clock, with just 12 minutes given to reach the top. In the women's division, Marianne Van Der Steen of the Netherlands navigated her way up the vertical log before taking a fall trying to hook herself onto the overhanging wall. Van Der Steen's efforts were good enough to secure her second. All eyes then turned to Germany's Ines Pappard, who had retired after winning the women's title in 2010. Pappard made it halfway up the challenging wall before taking a fall with less than 1 minute left on the clock as she secured the Ouray Ice Climbing title on her return to action. In the men's division, France's Jeff Mercier became the first climber to conquer the course as he reached the top with just 3 seconds to spare. 2008 champion Mercier was one of just 2 men to make it up the overhanging wall. Unfortunately for the Frenchman, the other was compatriot Simon Duvenet, who took the title with a blistering run, finishing the course in under 8 minutes. For the winners, getting the champagne on ice won't have presented too many problems after leaving the rest of the field out in the cold.